Hi everyone. So in this video we'll see how we can convert a given context-free grammar to the Chomsky normal form or CNF. So it's actually a four-step process. The first step is to eliminate the start symbol from the RHS. So let's say I have something like this, S goes to ASB. Then I have the RHS, I have the start symbol on the RHS here. So what I should do is I should create another rule, which is S prime goes to S, and then make S prime as the new start symbol. So I want to remove the start symbol from the RHS. So that's step number one. Step two is to simplify the CFG. So that would be all of the simplification processes that we saw earlier. We need to remove unit productions, we need to remove epsilon productions, at least from everything other than the start symbol. So once we do that, we remove the useless productions and all of that. That's step two. The third step is to eliminate terminals if found with non-terminals. What I mean by that is, if I have, let's say, A goes to AB, then I have a terminal which can be found with a non-terminal. So what I should do here is I should have, let's say, A goes to XB, and then write X goes to A. So this is how I've simplified the above thing. I've simplified it to the bottom two. That actually makes it correspond to the rules of our CNF. So that's step 3. I'll have to do that for all of the terminals which are found with non-terminals. And the last one is to reduce the RHS with more than 2 terminals. So let's say I have A goes to B, C, D. So on the RHS I have more than 2 terminals, and what I can do here is I can say A goes to XD and X goes to BC. So this is how I can reduce the top one in the 2 production rules at the bottom, each of which follows the rules of CNF. And as I mentioned earlier, there can be multiple CNF for the same context-free grammar. An example is, let's say, here I could have also done something like A goes to BY and then say Y goes to CD. This is perfectly valid. So there can be multiple Chomsky normal forms of the same grammar, but these are the 4 steps that we should follow to get any context-free grammar to the Chomsky normal form. And what we'll do in the next video is we'll see a simple example. There are some examples which just become too long when doing all of this, but we'll take a slightly smaller example and we'll apply these rules to that grammar, and we'll convert it to the CNF. Stay tuned for that video. In the meanwhile, give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to know when the next video is up. I'll see you next time.